Have you ever dreamed of turning your passion into profit? This video explores how to transform your hobbies into profitable side hustles. Whether you're a skilled crafter, a photography enthusiast, or a passionate gamer, there's an opportunity to monetize your passion. The first step is to identify a hobby that you enjoy and are passionate about. Consider factors like your skill level, market demand, and potential profitability. Some popular hobby-based side hustles include crafting, photography, writing, cooking, and gaming. Once you've identified your hobby, explore various monetization strategies and turn your hobby into cash. 1. E-commerce. Sell your products online through platforms like Etsy, Amazon, or your own website. To generate revenue from your e-commerce venture, consider the following strategies. Product sales. The core of e-commerce, selling physical or digital products directly to customers. Subscription boxes. Offering curated products on a recurring basis. Drop shipping. Selling products without handling inventory, partnering with suppliers. Print on demand. Creating custom products based on customer demand. Affiliate marketing. Promoting other people's products and earning a commission on sales. Digital products. Selling ebooks, online courses, or software. Key elements for a thriving e-commerce business include market research, identifying a profitable niche and understanding your target audience. Product sourcing. Finding reliable suppliers or creating unique products. User-friendly website. Creating a visually appealing and easy-to-navigate online store. Effective marketing. Utilizing SEO, social media, and email marketing to reach customers. Customer service. Providing excellent customer support to build trust and loyalty. Fulfillment and logistics. Efficiently handling order processing, shipping, and returns. Remember to hit subscribe for weekly wealth creation tips. 2. Freelancing. Offer your services on freelance platforms or directly to clients. Freelancing offers a flexible and potentially lucrative path to financial independence. By leveraging your skills and expertise, you can build a thriving business and achieve financial freedom. The first step is to identify your skills and passions. What are you good at? What do you enjoy doing? Once you've identified your niche, research the demand for your services. Consider factors like competition, pricing, and target audience. Building your freelance business. Create a strong online presence. Develop a professional website or portfolio showcasing your skills and services. Utilize social media platforms to connect with potential clients. Pricing your services. Determine competitive rates for your services based on your experience, skills, and market demand. Finding clients. Network with potential clients, leverage online freelancing platforms, and actively seek out projects. Time management. Effective time management is crucial for freelancers. Prioritize tasks, set deadlines, and avoid overcommitting. Financial management. Track income and expenses, set aside funds for taxes, and create a financial plan. Monetization strategies. Hourly rate. Charge clients based on the number of hours worked. Project-based. Set a fixed fee for completing a specific project. Retainer. Establish a monthly or annual fee for ongoing services. Value-based pricing. Charge based on the value you deliver to the client. 3. Digital products. Create and sell digital products such as ebooks, online courses, or printables. Digital products have revolutionized the way businesses operate and generate revenue. Unlike physical goods, digital products are intangible assets that can be delivered and consumed electronically. This unique characteristic offers several advantages, including low production costs, easy distribution, and the potential for recurring revenue. Types of digital products. Ebooks and digital publications. Share your expertise or creative content in a downloadable format. Online courses and tutorials. Teach others your skills through video or text-based lessons. Software and apps. Develop software applications or mobile apps to solve specific problems. Stock photos and graphics. Sell high-quality images and design elements. Music and audio. Offer digital downloads of music, audiobooks, or podcasts. Printables. Create and sell digital designs for printable products like planners, worksheets, and artwork. Online memberships. Provide exclusive content or community access for a recurring fee. Monetization strategies. Direct sales. Sell your digital products directly to customers through your website or online marketplaces. Subscription models. Offer access to your products or services through a recurring subscription fee. Affiliate marketing. Promote other people's digital products and earn a commission on sales. Bundle deals. Create product bundles to increase average order value. Free trials or demos. Offer a taste of your product to entice potential customers. Building a successful digital product business. Identify your target audience. Understand your customer's needs and preferences. Create high-quality products. Deliver exceptional value to your customers. Effective pricing. Determine competitive pricing for your products. Build a strong online presence. Utilize social media, SEO, and email marketing to reach your audience. Customer support. Provide excellent customer service to build trust and loyalty. Continuous improvement. Gather feedback and iterate on your products. 4. Blogging and vlogging. Share your passion with the world and monetize through advertising, affiliate marketing, or sponsored content. Blogging and vlogging have emerged as powerful platforms for individuals to share their passions, build an audience, and generate income. By combining creativity, consistency, and strategic monetization, you can turn your online presence into a thriving business. Blogging allows you to share your knowledge, experiences, and opinions with a global audience through written content. By consistently producing high-quality, engaging articles, you can build a loyal following and establish yourself as an authority in your niche. Monetization strategies for blogging. Affiliate marketing. Promote products or services and earn a commission on sales. Display advertising. Generate revenue through ads displayed on your blog. Sponsored content. Partner with brands for sponsored posts or product reviews. Digital products. Create and sell ebooks, online courses, or printables. Freelancing and consulting. Offer your expertise as a freelance writer or consultant. Vlogging, or video blogging, allows you to connect with your audience on a more personal level through video content. By sharing your life, experiences, or expertise, you can build a strong following and generate income. Monetization strategies for vlogging. YouTube ad revenue. Earn money through ads displayed on your videos. Brand sponsorships and partnerships. Collaborate with brands for product placements or sponsored content. Merchandise sales. Create and sell branded merchandise to your audience. Affiliate marketing. Promote products or services and earn a commission on sales. Regardless of whether you choose blogging or vlogging, building a loyal audience is crucial for success. Focus on creating high-quality content that resonates with your target audience. Engage with your audience through comments, social media, and email marketing. Consistency is key. Regularly publish new content to keep your audience engaged and coming back for more. Building a successful side hustle takes time and effort. Be prepared to face challenges such as competition, time management, and financial hurdles. Stay persistent, learn from your mistakes, and adapt your strategies as needed. It's important to maintain a healthy balance between your hobby and your business. Set boundaries to prevent burnout and protect your passion. Consider delegating tasks or outsourcing certain aspects of your business to free up time. Turning your hobby into a successful side hustle requires dedication, creativity, and perseverance. By following these steps and staying true to your passion, you can transform your hobby into a profitable venture. Remember, it's okay to experiment and try different approaches until you find what works best for you. I hope this video helps you in being one step closer to your financial goals. Please give a thumbs up on the video if you have enjoyed watching. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below. And be sure to subscribe to our channel for more wealth creation tips. Bye.